Ted here from Service One Heating and Cooling with another great tip for you. Having your furnace and air conditioner cleaned annually by Service One not only keeps your utility bills down, but will also reduce repair costs and extend the life of your system. Right now, purchase a Trane furnace and receive a Trane humidifier, digital thermostat, and a 3-year maintenance agreement absolutely free. For more information, visit us at ServiceOneHeating.com. From Service One, I'm Ted. See you next time.